Alright guys, I'm going to play with my puppy and she hurts, so you might be able to be laughing at this, but she is a little bit vicious, so I'm gonna try and set you up. No, don't eat the camera. Come on. Alright, there you go. Alright, go on. Come on. Ah. Ow. Ow. So it might be ending in a few minutes. So it might be a minute or two. Ow. Jesus, you ground a lot. Ow. 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 No! Oh God! Get off of me! Alright, like and subscribe if you want a puppy. And I may or may not be doing a iPhone 6 Plus or iPhone 6 Plus giveaway if you like and subscribe and comment when you're done. So alright, I'm gonna end it about when it ends, about like 30 seconds maybe. Hey, shut up. Alright, guys, I'm going to be done with it right now. So I'll get hurt another day. Right now I feel awful. And yeah. I'm gonna see if I can get hurt maybe tomorrow. I'm not sure. So yeah, maybe tomorrow I'll get hurt for a couple minutes or more. So yeah.